Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance merchant account. This specialized account allows your business to seamlessly accept cryptocurrency payments from customers worldwide. You can benefit from reduced transaction costs and quicker settlement compared to traditional methods. We will guide you through the entire process, from understanding the requirements to integrating Binance Pay into your operations, making it simple to expand your payment options. To qualify for a Binance merchant account, your business needs to meet specific criteria. You will be required to submit official business registration documents and any necessary operational licenses. Additionally, all applicants must complete a thorough Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification process to confirm identity. Binance looks for established businesses with a clear service or product offering, ensuring a secure and reliable ecosystem for all users. The application process begins by visiting the Binance website and locating the Binance Pay Merchant section. Here, you will find a comprehensive online application form that requires precise details about your business, including its nature and operational scope. Carefully fill out each field, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Finally, upload all necessary supporting documents, such as your business registration and personal identification, for review. After submitting your application, Binance's team will review it, usually within a few business days. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation and detailed instructions on how to integrate Binance Pay into your existing business operations. Binance provides comprehensive API documentation and SDKs to help you seamlessly set up crypto payment acceptance on your website or in your physical store. This allows your customers to pay using various cryptocurrencies with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.